Well, Deputy President Professor Kindiki has resurfaced after missing in public limelight for the last few weeks. Kindiki was today among hundreds of guests who attended a wedding ceremony in Limuru, Kiambu County, and explained that he has been on holidays. The Deputy President, while addressing guests, including the Tourism CS Rebecca Miano, told Kenyans to ignore all reports of the said growing distance between him and his boss, President William Ruto.
Have changed, and you need to read, and remind Peter, you need to read Psalm 128.
I'd like to recognize the presence.
This young man is a well-behaved man. So, Wambu, you have gotten a very good man. I don't know what you saw in terms of smartness.
I'm left with a few hours. My holiday is coming to an end, and therefore I need to enjoy whatever is left and ignore everything else. Ignore everything else completely. Material possessions, good infrastructure, good amenities are only the hardware for this nation to progress. The software of our country is in family values, love for one another, patriotism, godliness, unity. And that is my prayer today for Kenya. That is my prayer for all of us. That is the President's prayer.
All right, there you have it. Now moving on, the